अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। उम्मीद करता हूँ सब ठीक ठाक होगे, खुश होगे, मज़े में होगे। तो वेलकम है दोस्तों आप लोगों का मेरे चैनल पर और एक न्यू कमाल की वीडियो में। जी हाँ दोस्तों, तो दोस्तों आज हम जिस मूवी के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं वो काफ़ी कमाल की मूवी है। और दोस्तों उस मूवी का नाम है मैरी पॉपिंस। तो चलिए दोस्तों आज की वीडियो की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, लेकिन वीडियो की तरफ बढ़ने से पहले वीडियो को पहले कर दो लाइक, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और बेल नोटिफिकेशन को भी कर दो ऑल पे, ताकि मेरी जो भी न्यू वीडियो आए वो सबसे पहले पहुंचे आप लोगों तक। चलिए दोस्तों आज की वीडियो की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। Mary Poppins. Mary Poppins is a 1964 American musical fantasy film directed by Robert Stevenson and produced by Walt Disney, with songs written and composed by the Sherman Brothers. The screenplay is by Bill Walsh and Don Gregory, based on P. L. Trevor's book series Mary Poppins. The film, which combines live action and animated, stars Julie Andrews in her feature film debut in Mary Poppins, who visits a dysfunctional family in London and employs her unique brand of lifestyle to improve the family dynamic. Dick Van Dyke, David Thompson, and Clive Jones are featured in supporting roles. The film was shot entirely at the Walt Disney Studios in Burbank and California, using painted London background scenes. Mary Poppins was released on August 27, 1964, to critical acclaim and commercial success. It became the highest grossing film of 1964, and the time of its release was Disney's highest grossing film ever made. It received a total of 13 5 Best Actress for Andrews, Best Film Editing, Best Original Music Score, Best Visual Effects, and Best Original Song for the Chim Chim Chidi. Mary Poppins is considered Walt Disney crowning live action achievement and is the only one of his films which earned a Best Picture nomination during his lifetime in 2013. The film was selected for preservation in the United States National Film Registry by the Library of Congress as being culturally, historically, or aesthetically significant. A biographical drama on the making of the film Saving Mr. Banks was released on October 20, 2013. A sequel, Mary Poppins Returns, was released on December 19, 2018. In Edwardian London in the spring of 1910, George Bank returns home at number 17 Cherry Tree Lane to learn from his wife Winifred that Katie Nana has left their service after their children Jane and Michael have run away for the fourth time this week. Life I lead. They are returned shortly after by Constable Jones, who reveals the children were chasing after a lost kite. The children ask their father to help them build a better kite. Pet but he dismisses them, taking upon himself to hire a new nanny. Mr. Banks advertises for a stern, no nonsense nanny. It contrasts Jane and Michael, present their own advertisement for a kinder, sweeter nanny, perfect nanny. Winifred tries to keep the peace. Mr. Banks rips up the letter and throws the scraps in the fireplace, but a strong wind draws the fragments up through the chimney and into the air. The next day, a number of elderly, sore faced nannies wait outside the Banks' home for Ellen to show them all in, but a strong gust of wind blows them away. Jane and Michael then witness a young magical nanny descending from the sky using her umbrella, presenting herself to Mr. Banks. Mary Poppins calmly produces the children restored advertisement and agrees with its sequel, but promises an astonished banker she will be filmed with his children as Mr. Banks puzzles over the advertisement return. Mary Poppin hides herself and she convinces him it was originally his idea. She meets the children and helps them magically tidy their nursery by snapping her fingers. Before heading out for a walk in the park, outside they meet Mary's old friend Bert, working as a street painter. Mary Poppins uses her magic to transport the group into one of his drawings, while the children ride on a carousel. Mary Poppins and Bert go on a leisurely stroll. तो दोस्तों आप लोगों को आज की वीडियो कैसे लगी कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं। मिलते हैं आपसे अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। आज के लिए इतना ही, मुझे दे इजाज़त। अल्लाह हाफिज़।